Christina right here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. I am super excited that you inquired about the Kona. It is an amazing vehicle, and I have one right here for you to look at. This one has our beautiful honeycomb grille in the front with our wraparound LED headlights, daytime running lights, along with premium alloyed wheels. This vehicle comes equipped with our standard blind spot warning, push button start, and proximity key. Let's take a look inside. Beautiful leather interior with our 7-inch screen backup cam. It'll have navigation along with your heated seats, dual climate control, as well as our lane departure, lane retention, and a sunroof. But to top it off, this vehicle is backed by America's best warranty, which is a 5-year, 60,000 new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. And exclusively here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, we're so proud of it, we doubled it to 20 years and 200,000 miles. Listen, you definitely won't beat the warranty anywhere, and you're going to love this amazing vehicle. Plus, you're going to love the way you're treated. So give me a call, Christina, at 205-314-0301. Let me show you why you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.